Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious rotini salad. So for this you are going to be needing 2 cups of rotini. This is the one I'm using, the tricolor rotini. It just makes it prettier that when they have multi-colors in there. And you are going to be needing half a cup of finely chopped bell pepper. I'm using the red and the green for this. You're going to be needing some olives. I went ahead and sliced some of them and I left some whole. You can use green olives too, guys, if you have that on hand instead. And you're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. And I'm going to be needing about half a teaspoon of Slap Your Mama, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And of course some salt to taste. And I am going to be using some avocado, mayo, and also some sour cream. The amount of those 2 that you use is totally up to you. It depends on how creamy you want your salad. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, I have my stove set to medium high and I went ahead and put some water in this saucepan, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put about 1/4 teaspoon of salt to my water, and I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil just so my pasta does not stick. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my pasta, and I'm going to cook it according to the package direction. And when I cook pasta, guys, I like to take a wooden spoon and just put on top of it just so it doesn't overboil. That way I don't have all that mess to clean up. But go ahead and take a wooden spoon and put it on top, and then that will save you time from the cleaning. Okay, I went ahead and drained my pasta and rinsed it under some cold water. Now you want to go ahead and take your bell peppers. If you like onions, guys, you can go ahead and add onions to it. I just don't like onions in this type of salad, but if you like onions, the red onions would be nice and pretty on this. And to this, adding my olives. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and add that lime juice. I just like that citrus flavor that it gives mine, but if you're not used to seeing people add lime juice to it, it's okay. That's just something I like to do, and I'm sure others might like to do it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and season. Put half a teaspoon of each of these. I'm not measuring, I'm just roughly putting half a teaspoon. And some ground black pepper. Remember, I seasoned my pasta when it was boiling. Just like this. And if you want a little heat on yours, you can add some red pepper flakes if you want. That will make it a little more exciting. So now I'm going to add some mayonnaise. I'm using a tablespoon, that way you guys can have an idea of how much I put. But like I said, it depends on how creamy you want yours. So I'm going to do 3 tablespoons and just mix everything in. Just like this. It's looking nice and creamy already, but I like to also add some sour cream, so I'm going to take 1.5 tablespoons of sour cream and add to it, and just mix it all in. If you haven't, please go follow my Instagram page and go like my Facebook page, and also come snap with me on Snapchat and check out my Instagram page as well. And I do have another channel on here, guys. It's a food channel also, but I speak Creole, so I make the recipes speaking Creole. I had to do that for my fellow Haitians that don't speak English. and that channel is going pretty well so far. So again, mix everything, and of course you want to taste. It's really good, but I think I need a little bit more of that garlic, and maybe add just a little bit of salt, just like that. And that's pretty much all we are going to do to this, guys. You can cut up some parsley to put on top of it once you plate it, because I'm going to transfer this into another plate so I can make it nice and pretty before I take my pictures. But other than that, this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for the support you are giving the channel. And I love you guys for watching, as always. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.